Cultural Festival is an annual multicultural arts festival boasting an inspirational showcase of performance and visual arts from our region's talented children. Each year, the festival provides an opportunity for hundreds of Canterbury primary and intermediate school children to showcase their cultural heritage and traditions. The only event of its kind in New Zealand, Cultural Festival caters to family, whānau and wider audiences in a celebration of youth, music, dance and vibrant spectacle. Cultural Festival also boasts a spectacular visual art exhibition and the increasingly popular wearable art extravaganza, which is integrated into each of the live performances. This year's show promises to be bigger, bolder and brighter than ever, with feature performances of kapahaka, waiata and poi. Along with traditional presentations from Pacific Island, Asian and European cultures. Cultural Festival offers a truly unique opportunity for audiences of all ages to experience an authentic, vibrant celebration of the many cultures of Aotearoa.